Private.
Can you tell us again whose house is that?
Governor Miriam Sakaluran po.
Okay.
Former governor of Maguindanao.
I see.
And this is the Yellow Palace, which where they take the VIP. And also that's the White Palace. They use that oftenly for meeting, but not open for public. It's
Okay,
private meeting po. And also dito po naganap yung Kalimudan Festival.
Yes.
And approximately yung dumating po si Sandara Park, approximately 1.2 million festival goers po yung pumunta.
Sandara Park is a Korean popular singer actress,
Yes.
but she can speak Tagalog. Mm.
Which part of Italy are you from?
Here at Venice.
Oh, my mother is from Italy.
Soon ha.
Yes.
From now on, you have to learn how to speak Italian.
Yes.
Tell your mama, can you teach me Italian? Because
Bello,
Italians
bello.
don't speak English. Okay.